Hey Glam Fam!
What's up?
So today we are making pancakes with a chicken filling on top and then topped off with mozzarella. My handsome son Jonathan.
Bye.
No, you are thinking like pancakes and chicken, but pancakes, if you think about it, aren't sweet unless you add syrup. So we're gonna dive into this great recipe. I'm also making a side of white rice. If you haven't subscribed already, please hit that subscribe button right there. Come on, you know you wanna do it. If you're already subscribed, you know I love you. Don't forget to hit that post notification bell so you always know when I upload another video. Without any further ado, we're gonna insert my intro right now. Let's do this.
I just wanna show you off, I don't wanna do you wrong. Mirror, mirror on the wall, who's the flies of them all?
I want to say that just make sure you're always, when you're working with food, working on a clean countertop that's been disinfected, and always wash your hands. I know you guys know that, but I just have to add that. So the rice is pretty much self-explanatory. I use Goya rice, and you can just follow it to package directions. I just set it on high. When it starts to bubble, what I do is I immediately cover it. It's old school AF crock pot. We have a chicken that I've already started. Basically what I use for the mixture that's gonna go inside the pancakes is 3 large chicken breasts, right? And when you put it in a slow cooker or crock pot, it's so easy. And I added literally a 1/4 cup of tomato sauce, not tomato paste, like you can use ragu or your own homemade. And then I added salt, cayenne pepper to taste, adobo, and sazon. And then I added 1/4 cup of chicken stock and then 1/2 stick of butter. I let it sit on low for 8 hours. Then the next thing you're gonna do is just make the pancakes. This is so easy and your kids will love it. So I'm going to get the griddle ready and the pancake mixture ready. Any old pancake mixture will do, and you can even make your own with some flour and salt. I'm going to use a complete pancake mix, and now I'm going to add the water based to the package directions. It doesn't get any simpler than this. While I'm stirring the pancake mix, I am going to set my oven preheated to 350 degrees. Baking dish, or you can even use a casserole plate. I like this better because it's bigger and it holds more pancake. And right now I'm just gonna stir my pancake mix and wait till the griddle's nice and hot. While I'm waiting for the griddle, I'm also going to fork pull my chicken that's already ready. I'm gonna just take a fork. This is so easy. It just actually pulls right apart with the fork. See that? In the rice, I do add salt and oil for taste. Prepared baking dish. On the side, if you want to get it out now, I have a bowl full of shredded mozzarella. See, when the rice is doing that, you want to stir it one time and then immediately cover it, just like I said earlier. So I set it from high to right about that notch right there. So our griddle is nice and hot. We're going to start making pancakes just the way you would make them. So I have the pancakes all laid out on the baking pan and also a casserole dish because I ran out of space. And now I'm just gonna put the filling on top of them. You're gonna wanna use a spoon like this so that the juice from the chicken doesn't get on the pancakes. Put it right on top of those pancakes. So this is what it should look like. The mozzarella, we're just gonna take it with our clean hands and we're going to sprinkle it right on top of each pancake. And then this is why we preheated the oven, because we're about to put them in the oven. You just have to put them in the oven until the cheese melts, and that's it. You don't have to cover them. Just keep an eye on it. I would say about 5 minutes. It doesn't take long for mozzarella cheese to melt, and we'll be right back. I have the plate set up here for my son. He's going to be the taste tester. That's what the rice should look like, and this is what the finished product of the pancake will look like. So let's see if he likes it. Okay, so Jonathan's going to give it a shot. Do you want me to cut that for you? Or do you want to roll it up like a taco and eat it? You can eat it with your hands.
No, thanks.
What do you think?
It's pretty good.
What would you rate it?
This is